Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel, and I am here to do a quick little review of what's in my bag with my new bag. I should probably do more unboxings, but I just be too excited to use the bag, so I can't unbox on camera. So this is my new Mini Deauville in the Damier Azur, and it's cute. I like it. It's compact, cute for like a dinner or lunch date, something you can grab and go. But make sure it's a really pretty day and it's not raining, unless you really just don't care about your vachetta, the leather. This bag retails for $1,920, and I got it at the Saks store here in Birmingham. So this is the strap, and I'll give you some mod shots when I'm done. And it comes with this cute little luggage tag that I really didn't like at first, but it's kind of growing on me. But you can remove this from your bag. So just get a little whisper. And I did apple guard my bag. And that's the interior. So let me just pull up my demographic sheet. So this is 8.3 inches in length, 6.3 inches in height, and 2.8 inches in width. It is coated canvas with the natural cowhide leather trim. It has, oh, let me show you. It's a mix in here, but there's just this outside flat pocket that can hold a lot. I'm pretty sure I have a pop socket on the back of my phone, but it holds your phone, but it's pretty big, so you probably have to take the case off, and I'm not doing that because I'll drop my phone and be broke. And the strap is removable. Now, you remove the strap. You can't top handle it. You can wear like a little, you know, little clutch if you wanted to, but or you could change the strap to like a chain strap. The strap is adjustable, and I am 5'7" for reference, so it stops at a pretty good spot on me. But if you're taller than probably 5'9", you probably won't like where it stops. And this bag is currently sold out online. So you just gotta walk in the store and hopefully you can get it. So there's not a lot in here because I just went on a quick little date with my girlfriend. So there's nothing in here but my little pill holder that I got from Ulta. My gum. Some lotion that I also got from Ulta. It's like my favorite brand. This is the Sweet Jasmine and Rose. And this beauty here is the Recto Verso. This retails at $7.90. This is the Empreinte leather. And it holds a lot of cards. So it's got this nice flap pocket in the front. Another little secret pocket here. And it also holds cash and coins. And then it holds your cards on the back. I have 4 cards. It's got 4 card slots, and I don't stuff it because I don't want it to stretch. And it's got this wonderful D-ring here that a lot of people don't know how to use. So I'll just show you real quick. Let's see, I'm trying to do it in focus. You pull up and out. There we go. And you just snap it back. So you pull it up and out. I hope y'all saw that. And that was just a quick little review. I don't carry this bag a lot because A, color transfer, and B, the leather here. I don't really want it to get water stains, hand sanitizer stains, and everything on it. So let me just give you a quick mod shot. Where the bag stops on right at the hip. And I like where it stops, so I can throw it there. Now I have seen people wear this like a little fanny pack belt bag, but I haven't tried that. I don't think I would like it very much. I don't see how they would do that though, because this is pretty small. But I've seen, maybe they buy a different strap. But all right, so that's it for this quick little review, and I have more to come. Bye.